Hi, welcome to Villa MIRA a la Costa.
This is an exclusive luxury property right here on the beach in sunny Carlsbad, California. This complex has 3 private beachfront homes, and guess what? We're remodeling all of them.
Come and take a look.
Welcome to the Penthouse. This is the biggest unit in this complex. As it is, it's just over 2,500 square feet, 2 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms. But when we're done with it, it's gonna be almost 2,800 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 4.5 baths, 2 kitchens, and 2 laundry rooms.
Can't wait to show you the whole vision, but let's start in the kitchen.
This kitchen is chopped up and totally closed off to the family room. So this wall, even though it's structurally important, it has to go.
So wait, you get all the vision and I gotta figure out how to put this thing back together again?
Yes, but look, once this is gone, we're gonna have open sight lines from the front door all the way to the back, full height glass walls. It's gonna totally be worth it in the end, and I know that you'll figure it out.
So you realize it's not a drop ceiling. We're basically gonna just blow off the whole entire roof, get rid of it, make it structurally sound, raise it all the way up so that you can get that full height, floor to ceiling glass views.
Totally worth it. This master bathroom might be the biggest disaster of all. Yes, the funky orange tile has to go, but then even so much more than that, this floor plan is crazy. Who wants to wake up in the middle of the night in the dark and walk up this flight of stairs to use the toilet? It's not happening.
So what we're gonna actually do is take the bathroom, which is back there, move it to the front so that they can have ocean views at all times.
That's right. Open shower, totally looking out of the ocean. It feels like you're outside, all from the privacy of your own home.
All right, so this is one of my favorite rooms also for Tim. I always love to help out the husband when I can. We're gonna create an office man cave for him. He literally works from early morning to the evening. We wanna capture this view for him on a daily basis.
That's right, and the only way to do that is to raise this pass-through up to the ceiling, get rid of this weird drop, increase the space and volume in here, and then those doors right now that are tiny, dinky, we're gonna raise them all the way up to the ceiling, giving this guy pano ocean views even when he's sitting at a desk. Marshall never comes to demo day empty-handed. He brought his hammer.
Which wall? Do you want to remove this wall?
This wall.
Thanks again for being a part of our private exclusive home tour of this project. Cannot wait to show you the afters.
Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube for more updates, progress videos, and we can't wait for you to join us.